thing is going to happen in Nigeria.
Please, my fellow Biafrans, I take the name of God beg you, share this particular video. If you know that you are willing to join Nigeria soldier, if you know that you like to join Nigeria soldiers, this message is for you. Because this our brother who based in American soldier just sent another serious message concerning what is about to happen to Nigeria right now. He said that Iran has gone, and after Iran it will be Nigeria. So for those of you that want to join Nigeria soldier as an Igbo person, and you want to go and join Nigeria soldiers, this message is for you, because this is another serious warning that this our brother gave to us. So as I see it, I go to bring them. I don't want any of us, any Igbo person, to just go down like that for no reason. So as they watch this particular video now, try to share so that other Biafrans can be able to watch it. One love.
Ijale, I went to Kanjuagi. In as a king of game, in Reban our game, Egu Ijale, in as a king of game, Ijel Turkey, a man named me for Nebutego at the port oil. Ijale, in as a king of game, Ijel Turkey, Balakanata. Ijele, in as a king of game, where men are men, nobody will count you as men. Ijele, in as a king of game, can you hear how many attack you made you a man or dogu cable? Ijele, in as a king of game, how many people are you feeding? Come on in our village, is 15 years in our village. Can you be here? Can you me here? But pen get in echo. Bro, you are nothing. You are nothing. Stop answering king of game. You know, am I king of game? Stop. I tell you, you're gonna learn the hard way. I promise you.
You know, when I'm telling people that Iran is gone, that the Iran mission must be accomplished, just listen. Iran is gone. United States have taken Iran, both ground and air. Just listen. Iran is gone. The same thing is going to happen in Nigeria.
Over the past 11 days, our military has virtually destroyed Iran. Tough country. Their air force is gone, totally gone. That took the better part of about 3 hours. They no longer have radar. They don't have anti-aircraft equipment. They don't have anything. Their missiles are down 90%. Their drones are down 85%. We're blowing up the factories where they're made left and right. And frankly, nobody has ever seen anything like it.
Mba was to be the next military defense officer. They retired him. After the Yoruba man, the Yoruba who was sitting on that seat, retired. Instead of him to making the next defensive officer of the Federation, you retired him. Now I want to ask you a question, since that our people are not asking questions. Is it our youth that you occupy in Igbo that will come and join Nigerian military? Is it our youth that we can send the military to finish in Igbo? Is it those ones that are in their grave and some of them are in prison far in Sokoto? Is it those ones that will come and join Nigerian military? Is it the people that you have already finished in Imo State? Are they the ones to come and join Nigerian military because of the increasement of the salary? How much is the salary? 300,000. What is 300,000 to soldiers that are being lost in their life every day in this country?
Sinafasa chunduma name ofia. Yani jele we meet one on one. Kefo gwali jele, osi jele. Na ama ni buru ezigbo mmadu, ijele pico fence. Na okwe fugo. I told you about ijele. Ijele nwere ihe chọrọ grab na ani Igbo. Onye aburu ezigbo mmadu. Ijele cannot be a good man in Igbo land. He can't. Ijele kama omamata good man.
Yeah, it's happening again. I heard the mad people are doing their 1 million man march in Aba. And the Sahara reporters, of course, as usual, since Sowore has decided to make himself a willing tool in the hands of anyone that wants to ruin an Igbo, they are there broadcasting it. But I want to tell you people, just leave it there in Aba and Abia State. Since Alex Oti has decided to embrace the terrorists and you people from Abia, please come and carry the rest of the bingos here in Imo State, because you go buy all of them. Since you've decided to make Abia a heaven for criminality, for all these bastards, for all these terrorists that have destroyed Osu Ituku, and Sowore, please, why don't you take your camera to Osu? Why don't you take your camera to Osu and see people suffering? You are there pretending to be the new savior of Ndigbo. All the Igbo people that are working, they are the ones you are attacking, pretending to love us. This Biafra nonsense, why don't you take it to Ondo State? Nnamdi Kanu said Ondo is part of Biafra. Why not do the Million Man March in Ondo? You won't, because you don't want their criminality. You know they are criminals, you know they are evil. Your job now is to target all the Igbos with prospects. You are now using them, using an attack on Igbo to divide Igbo with this type of terrorism. May what Nnamdi Kanu did to people in Osu not depart from your family. You Sowore, I'm talking to you. Yes. May their evil not depart from your household. You fake activist. You are there covering them instead of other things you could be covering. Why don't you take your camera to Osu Ituku and see the damage they did there? Bring your camera crew. I will guarantee their safety. I will take them there. Let them go and speak to the victims of Nnamdi Kanu and his IPOB ESN. You've not done that. Yours is to come and be pretending to be loving Igbo. The other day, it was Princess Nkiru Kanwode who saved Chibuike Ekwueme from being kpai. You are there accusing Tiger Base of kpaying innocent people, and without showing any evidence of a single innocent person that was kpai at Tiger Base. But you've seen a sacked police officer that is in jail, sacked before, that tried to buy somebody in custody with evidence. Even the person involved is there. He is there. Chibuike Ekwueme. I can send you the phone number of Chibuike Ekwueme. You interview him and hear what Nnamdi Daniel Eme did to him and how he tried to buy him, steal his Mercedes, and he has already taken millions of dollars away from his bank account until his account officer stopped it. But here you are now, going there to cover their nonsense Million Man March. You people should reserve it in Abadia. Nezuzuni and Abia State. Any of you that comes to do it in Imo State will be recycled. Are you hearing me? Any of you that brings that nonsense to Imo State, and those of you that are saying you are planning rally, come and rally in Imo State. Let us. Make sure you give us a notice that you are going to do your useless Nnamdi Kanu rally in Imo State. Give us the location. If any of you go back, no, say I be fool. Come and do it in Owerri or let us see. Very useless set of people. Keep marching. The blood of the innocent people they wasted in Imo State shall forever cry in your families. Akwa mankusi baby na family nini. Very useless set of people. I told them on the one podcast now. I said they leave him. Me, I go buy him. I go buy him. Why they want leave him? How? I repeated it on the one podcast. So I said, now my job to give you expo. Now my job to give you expo. If he will only live long if he stays inside there. How happen? I must buy him. I must buy him. Let them try it. I'm telling the presidency now, in order to avoid anarchy in Igbo land, that guy will buy there. Nnamdi Kanu, must buy there. Okay? In order to avoid anarchy, as they gave him life imprisonment, he must serve his life imprisonment. And without parole. Without parole. With all these things that happened. Did Nnamdi Kanu tell them to cut off Matador's penis or not? He is from Mbutuzo, is from Umutanze. Those of you from Osu, did Nnamdi Kanu tell them to come out Matador prick or not? And after he told them to bury him alive, Matador was buried alive on the order of Nnamdi Kanu, direct order of Nnamdi Kanu. He said, "It's just a speech. Please don't expose your intention in amu. In amu. If naked warrior won't kill you, in the hide the secret. The only law that don't match him. You match him, you must collect. So there is he don't match the high tension. Where in they go? Do you people don't know what terrorism is? Oh, buying a terrorist, no job, no law hold you. No law hold you if you buy a terrorist. So me, I don't follow on the price go to one party. Now I'm going to tell what boy I need. Only see not put up. Record me, cut this place. Now what then the kind of what boy I need, what boy on what I'm going to see. Those of us say, oh, we love it that the kind we get radio. The quiet the open amount of good man or no, like line up with a cat like no she get the way if you baby here before. Also, you go buy your people. You na Igbo. Una say we go see all the kishi maybe you all the kara na abu ni. All the kara na abu. All the kishi maybe you thunder na fire you all the like you know chena you be na ko edi you na ko edi. Oh, leave him. What did he do? Don't worry. Don't worry. I pray may they leave him. I pray may they. You see, Sahara reporters, tell Shogore say if they want trial, make him stand for that gate. Me, I go fire him first. If I don't do, I make I die. Memo to kill me. Tell him, copy this one, go tell him. Say, anybody will say him mama born and where, they near him that day. Make them free him, just they near him for that day. If I no fire you, you go be victim of the intra-Igbo civil war. This is Igbo civil war in case you don't know. Oh, on a thing only one side go carry gun, yeah, on a phone. Thunder about we be doing me. You say you don't have right to buy. Don't worry, come and become a. Let the court declare you a terrorist. Then we will explain it to you very well. Okay? Let the court declare you a terrorist. Then you come out. That is when you will know where our power is coming from. Your brother Bukwegi. Iyafo is like Ezala Bukwegi. Iyafo Amuku Gebunu ni lengane ha. Man. This one don't even know how to write. You are beating more than you can do. Just have it. I said, go and become a terrorist. Go to the court. Tell them you are an IPOB member and they will declare you a terrorist. Tell them that you bet with somebody. Make they pronounce you terrorist, then let you pass that gate. See if I don't go kill you. Make I use you, starter. I teach you law. Show me the law. I go show you the law. I will show you the grave. Like, try. Tell on a politician saying now we they talk. Rescue an Igbo. We don't sign now. No, if not me, buy me. If not me, buy me. Anybody. You buy person, you must buy. Whomever you are, Ojuku get lock. Ojuku. Tell Bianca I say her husband get lock. Onwe lock one. Nana for explain himself very well. Oh, izoba ajo madu nkegi, nzoba ajo madu nkem, ka ajo madu ji akanku. Mani igbuo nkegi, mgbuo nkem, ifu ya yojo ana. Nweko yana ama yojo. Stop covering up evil. Ndi Igbo ya abụghị our culture. We are not known for covering evil.
Position your mind and get ready of what is about to happen. Listen, Israel don't do it before. Remember, Israel, today, there is video I watched today that I want you to watch again and see what I saw to show you what Israel did during Biafra, Nigeria, 1967 to 1970 history. Follow the link on the comment section to watch that video, because Israel have started it already this time before what happened, what is going on now in Iran started. But guess what? That thing that is going on in Iran is that is these people are dismantling Nigeria. These people are dismantling Nigeria. You may say what is going on in Iran is nothing. Okay. The division of Nigeria is what is going on in Iran. Iran, remember, even the citizens of Iran are celebrating that Christian America and Israel are doing what they are doing in Iran. But guess what? Nigeria and their Irats are protesting against America and Iran. And the Nigerian government recently go to Iran embassy in Abuja to pay condolence visit to what happened to their spring leader. In fact, follow the link on the comment section to watch the complete video. As you watch the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video for another person to watch. As you watch this one, share this video. As you watch the other one, try to share that video to see what is about to happen in Nigeria. It is about to go down. As Iran will go down any moment from now, get ready as Nigeria will follow. Share this video and don't forget to like, comment, and share and follow this page. God bless you.